Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you're watching this video. I am back. I'm about to wash my henna up my hair. As you can see on my other videos, I showed you how I mixed my henna up and how I put it in my hair. And I slept with this overnight. This should go in the trash. You can see the redness in my hair. Oh, my gray's gone. My gray's gone. My gray's gone. Now what I do, I decondition, get up on the dryer, wash it out, dry it, and style my hair. And that is the process of henna in your hair. That's all it is. Thank you for watching, and I will take some pictures of the after I do my hair and how it looks. Bye. All right, I'm back. And this is the part after I dry my hair and how it looks. The gray is gone, as you can see, the tint. And now what I'm gonna do is blow dry my hair. And it's time for a relaxer too. Like I said, we'll do it next week. Accidentally. Wow, you got to cut it on, Denise. Once I get the flat on, I'll let you see the results. I'm back. I'm finally finished with my hair. This is the finished product. All the gray is gone. And next time I do my hair, I will be putting a relaxer in. Thanks for watching. watching, everybody. Subscribe. Bye.